Hello everyone, today quite an exciting day because my postman brought me a KnitCrate box. Quickly, this is a monthly subscription. I'm getting these boxes from KnitCrate from free to open up and show it to you guys. They're giving us an amazing coupon code KL20 which gives you 20% for your first box. The affiliate link is down below if you're interested to check it out. They offer 3 boxes. Actually on the screen you can see and you see the prices, and the prices are in dollars. I know you're going to see what I have over here. Putting it up, and it's October, and I don't think it's an October box. I think this box is September, but this one is $24.99, so that gives approximately €22.75 for the box. Okay, so I'm talking to my people who have euro money in their wallets. So basically, if you're in European Union and you buy something from abroad, and this comes from the United States, there's something like customs. And I know people are asking me a lot in regards, do I pay customs for this? No, I don't. In Ireland, but you have to check it for each country, there is a limit of €22, and this is $22.75. At least I checked that now on the screen when you just place dollars and stuff. You need to Google yourself your country and write down the minimum. What's the best write? You can write down purchase customs amount or something like this. It'll definitely pop it. So I hope kind of lights up the mood about this, which brings me, let's go and open up. I want to knit straight away. Okay, we have it wrapped beautifully, and I see these. I love blue. Now I'm back battery, but I got blue. Grab and show. What did you get? So I got 2 skeins of Ur yarn, which is a KnitCrate house yarn, and this colorway is Enlightened. Do you remember my sweater, Navelli sweater, on the screen now? This is kind of blue I'm talking about. 85% merino wool, 15% silk. It got hot over here. Oh, so weird. Don't judge me. Yeah, and it's not super wash, so it's a non-super wash basically. DK weight, we have 300 yards, which is 274 meters in 100 grams. Oh, I needed it in my life. Anyway, it's, you know, I love it. Like, this is exact color that I had in my sweater. So 274 meters. Would I call it DK? Personally, no. For me, DK would be, although you see sometimes people say 200 meters, it's not a DK, it's a worsted. And 220 is DK, but this is 274 meters. Sorry, I'm operating meters. So 300 yards, what would you say? Is it a DK for you? I would say it's sport. Think, you know, the way I hold it, but anyway, so beautiful. So I got 2. Not all. I see something rainbow logo pin. We got a pin. I have a black one. This is sparkly, so beautiful. And then we have a magazine. In this magazine normally you have 3 patterns, 2 for this box and 1 for the sock grade, although you do have a full pattern over here for the socks, so probably they're tempting you to get one too. I'm just saying. All you can find in your stash of yarn and knit the pattern too. So let's see what we have. As you can see, we have a beautiful hat. And this one, I know I got the blue, which is Enlightened. And I'm going to show you now what it says over here. So check it out. You can see that there are 3 colors, so you never know which one you're going to get, but all of them are brilliant. And you have names, as you could see, my one is Enchanted, and underneath it says Chill Out, and that's those vibes that if you pick one of the vibes you will definitely get this color. So it's all natural. They're trying to go with natural, so you could see they have a grey color with the Energize Me. They go with a bright color, something that it's warm tones, I believe. So you have this beautiful, oh, it's like I would say purple. No, fuchsia. No, that's not a fuchsia. It's close. Purple fuchsia. So beautiful. Normal price for the 1 skein is $26 or 1. And then the socks. I know, oh, I know you can't get it now because it says, isn't it? It's September 2019. But, so these are the sock yarns. The pop colors, you can mix these 2 together. Oh, anyway. leave it. And we have patterns. Okay, so what do we have? We have I see lakefront tunic, which is crochet. I always said it wrong. Then we have gooseberry socks, and they're also crochet. So check it out. This is the tunic, and yes, these are the socks, and that's crochet. Okay, I know some of you know how to use the hook, so check this out. Ooh. Anyway, and then we have 3 things. We have 2, which are included in the magazine, alternating current socks, and then we have ledge beanie. You teach me English. And then we have digital bonus, and we have tower tank and sky deck vest. What? So we have a hat, we have beautiful socks, and then we have a digital goodie over here. Do you see this? So either I can do this or either I can do that. And in September, because KnitCrate also collaborates with indie dyers, and they had collaborations with Rita Mean Yarns. I'm just checking, can I show you everything over here? So check it out. Okay, that's that, but at the end of the booklet you have an inspiration for October 2019, which is this month, so I'm excited to get October 2. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, let me know what did you get and how excited are you for the next month. Bye!